Good morning, guys. Yun ang morning ng anak ko na lalaki. Parang baliw-baliwan lang ang dating. Maayong umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito, I'm out of breath also because we're like playing. I'm playing with him, and then now I stop playing, so he's playing by himself. So anyway, I'm out of breath. I've been like playing, jumping in bed and playing with him. And that's what he loves. So anyway, guys, good morning. Today is, what is today? Friday. Today's Friday, October 14. October 14 today. So anyway, guys, the last tax is tomorrow. The last filing of tax return is tomorrow. So, and my husband just dropped ours yesterday. It's so over late. I'm gonna go downstairs to have a coffee. Umalis na si Kuya. I told him to be quick, that he can meet the guy, but of course he's still in the shower. Oh my god, I am so gutom na. I don't eat since this morning and it's already 12:30. And look who's here. Anyway, tapos na yung pumunta dito. Nag-examine lang, madali lang kasi wala naman ako talagang problema, so sa utak lang yung problema ko, hindi ko gusto kong lumabas ng asawa ko at pumunta kami dun sa Burger King kasi gusto ko ng Burger King. So yun lang, guys, walang masyadong gawa this morning and it's already afternoon. It's already 12:30 and I haven't eaten anything yet. So I think I'm gonna do driving today as well. I was cleaning yesterday like crazy though. I cleaned all the sheets, in the cover in the couch, and all the cover of the pillow. I washed all that in. Yan. Nilagyan ko ng Clorox ng tubig. Inuun ko yung washing machine para ma-mix yung tubig saka detergent at saka yung Clorox para ma-mix. So nilagay ko yung mga dapat lagyan ng Clorox doon para naman makuha yung mga buling-buling para makuha yung mga germs na yan kasi dragging on the floor and everything's like that. Oh, shucks. Hold on. Thanks, Anne. We're going to drop something in the post office and then we're gonna get something for lunch. Why is it so cloudy and windy and stuff like that? The storm is done. So look at who's good looking here. Me, I kinda like really pale. No lipstick, nothing.
Me too. No lipstick, nothing.
Why, hon?
Why? I don't know. I didn't feel like putting on lipstick today.
Why you don't have lipstick?
Speeding.
And
because they put these envelopes. It says overnight. Then on this side, there's other envelopes that says expected delivery date, so like 2-3 days. So I took these and I filled it out, went up there, stood online, and it said, no, it's not overnight. Not overnight. Oh, the other envelope is for overnight. I said, take out them in the wrong place on the table. Because the table, it's not, my own stupidity. I knew there was something wrong with that. Because the other one says, this one's priority, the other one's priority express. You would think express would be quicker. But they had it. It said, it's not the way it read.
It's really hurting me though.
What's that?
The injection. heading to Burger King because I don't have strength. The camera is even heavy to carry because
Oh, please.
it's really hurting me. Like I don't have strength. Man, can you imagine no breakfast, no lunch, and it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon? I really thought that matagal pa yung ano.
Do it every day for work.
The what? Not eating?
Yeah.
That's you. I told you have to eat.
I really would like to go to the house today, but I can't. I can't. I have to trap.
Do you want me to drive?
Well, first day off. I used to be driving now.
No, do you want me to go upstate and drive?
No, I don't want to go.
Okay.
Honestly, I need to go, but I don't want to go.
We're not in the house for like 2 weeks. But because next week we're gonna be there anyway. Are you going to turn here over there?
I'm here.
I will.
So yeah, but with a permit, all New York has a permit.
So mine
people
is
in
not-
Queens have to learn how to drive too. They have a permit. They got to take a test. So yes, they're allowed to drive in Queens. Obviously, they can't. It's not like somebody who's taking the Westchester.
Okay, mine is not junior. It's kind
No,
of
you're a
regular.
permit. Junior is the actual license. If you pass your license, you get a real license because you're old enough.
Yeah, I'm 32.
I can never ever find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
You want to see if you smell on the hood? I don't see that.
No, the outside, the wind, I can smell it now. More outside.
Smell on the hood. See what's blowing from there.
Nah, I'm already tucked in here. I need the thing, Tommy. Where is he? I'm so hungry, and then he doesn't give. I'm so hungry, and he doesn't give me any freaking fries here. He hide it. I need the fries. Sorry, I bump you. Hold on, man. I need fries. Where did you put the fries?
I'll get the
No,
bag.
no, I'll do it.
You'll do it. How are you gonna do it? You're keeping the camera level.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Yeah, I can see that.
Watch out.
What am I watching out for?
The fries is going to fall over.
Look at this big. The bird just standing there.
Where?
Right
No,
there.
don't worry about the bird. What? Yeah, I'm gonna see my friends. We're back to Petco. And look at that, they're biting. Look. It looks like Dimples and Hubs playing, look, biting. Roxy and Misty.
Get one to play with them.
Yeah. Hey, we're looking for a cat food. Oh no, that's just so little.
No, I don't have any bigger ones.
They don't have it here too. They don't have the bone that the dogs like. So, yeah, they don't have it. So no, that's salmon. What is this? Beef fist and roasted. Okay, we're gonna get this.
They like turkey, apparently. That's what they like.
Tender turkey.
Yeah, but don't we have some of this?
We're done. I told you they're zero.
All these?
Zero. I said. Nothing. No more. Nada. This is what they ate this morning. That hog. The salmon.
I really don't have much of turkey stuff here.
The salmon, guys. Lacrosse. There you go. No, Will Hubs like to be like a
I know, but
juicy
they like this
kind
one.
of thing.
I like this one better. I watch them.
So they like this. Okay.
Make sure they're all turkey ones.
You're the one who's doing it. I'm just gonna put it in the.
So you got was 3 cans of red
Yeah.
for me.
You like it.
Salmon. That's what they like. The
That's
salmon.
what Dimples and Hub ate this morning.
The salmon.
The red.
Sure, with salmon.
Yes.
There's red beef, red salmon.
No,
Red.
salmon.
don't
I know.
know
I
buy
get it the
salmon.
last time. I did.
Okay.
I did.
You say so.
Focus. It won't focus.
Come Oh, they use turkey and giblets.
What is that?
Maybe they'll like them. They're cheaper.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Cat scratch. Oh, this is a real cute thing. Oh, nice. This is nice for the bedroom. How much is this? Yeah.
Cheap.
Cheap, 120,
No, I didn't get the
130.
So,
There's no price.
I don't know. What is it?
The tender turkey.
Try and get it pretty married together.
Oh, it's fine because I have to skin it.
We are home, finally home. Finally home. Changing. This is a cell phone holder. I carry it with me. Oh, I can't take it out. Sorry, Rox. Thanks for bringing me to driving.
I got to dig up tools to do this with.
I know. It's going to Manhattan. Manhattan. I'm gonna change to pajamas. Pajama party, guys. Kasi kanina lang ako nag-jeans ako dahil doon sa lalaking pumunta dito. Nag-examine sa akin for insurance. Iwan ko kung bakit yung round thing dito sa lens ng camera na to, hindi ko talaga alam, pero tumutuyok siya, tumutuyok yung if you turn it on, if you turn it around, it will turn, but tumutuyok siya, pero hindi ko alam for what. Oh my Lord! Oh gee! Oh my goodness! You're so... Oh my goodness! You jumped in here! You did! You did! You did! You jumped in the couch! You did! Okay, get down. Get down. Good girl. Yun ang palagi niyang ginagawa, guys. Tumatumbling, umaambak.
What?
Tumatalon sa couch. Dito kung i-ignore ko siya, tumatalon siya. Parang baliw lang. Bawal siya tumalon dito eh. Gusto magpapansin tong asong to, papansin. So, I don't even use this, guys, but look what happened. Somebody eat it, love. Guys, look at this thing. Stop it, Roxy! You bite her too hard. Pahinga muna tayo, guys. Later on, I'm going to watch a movie in the website that one of my viewer, I'm gonna do that, and she recommended me a movie, so Miracle in Heaven. Han, have you heard that?
What?
Miracle in Heaven. He doesn't see anything, but he
Something about it.
so
The title's familiar.
magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Matutulog na kami. 9:30 na kasi. At may trabaho pa bukas yung aswang ko. Aswang, oh my G, aswang. Kami at mag-ano pa ako. Maglagay ng, nilalagay ko to palagi gabi-gabi. There you go. EOL. Nilalagay ko yun sa mga uwat ko, sa mga scar. na yung sa poison ivy. Pasalamat na rin ako na nawala na yun guys. Kasi, oh my goodness. Angkat. Ano sa Tagalog yung uwat? Na hindi pasa. Yung pasa is brosman eh. Bros is uwat. English scar. Ano ba yun? Uy. Ilagay no lang yun sa baba guys. I-comment nyo na lang. Piklat. Yun, piklat. Na marami ng piklat guys. Sa kamay, sa paa. So, gabi na. Matutulog na kami. Salamat sa panonood. Good night guys. See you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!